तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
गौरी गणेश विनायका 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 शुक्लांबरधर नाथ गजानन शुक्लांबरधर नाथ गजानन श्री गणनाथ विनायका श्री गणनाथ विनायका श्री गणनाथ विनायका श्री गणनाथ विनायका गजवदना जय गणपति वंदना गजवदना जय गणपति वंदना मंगलमूर्ति गजानना मंगलमूर्ति गजानना गिरिधर गोपाला साई गिरिधर गोपाला परतिपुरीश्वर साई गोपाला परतिपुरीश्वर साई गोपाला गिरिधर गोपाला साई गिरिधर गोपाला मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर पाहि मां घनश्याम हो श्यामा पाहि मां घनश्याम हो श्यामा पाहि मां घनश्याम श्यामा पाहि मां घनश्याम श्यामा गिरिधर गोपाला साई गिरिधर गोपाला परतिपुरीश्वर साई गोपाला गिरिधर गोपाला साई गिरिधर गोपाला
परतीश्वरी जगज्जननी परतीश्वरी जगज्जननी जय 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 हे साई जननी जय 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 हे साई जननी परतीश्वरी जगज्जननी वेदकलामयि देवी भवानी वेदकलामयि देवी भवानी नाद विद्यामयि नारायणी नाद विद्यामयि नारायणी करुणा सदनी करुणामयी करुणा सदनी करुणामयी शरणं शरणं साई जय 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 हे साई जननी जय 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 हे साई जननी परतीश्वरी जगज्जननी जय 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 हे साई जननी परतीश्वरी जगज्जननी वेदकलामयि देवी भवानी नाद विद्यामयि नारायणी करुणा सदनी करुणामयी शरणं शरणं साई जय 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 हे साई जननी जय 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 हे साई जननी परती जगज्जननी।
देवदेवोत्तम दीन संरक्षक, देवदेवोत्तम दीन संरक्षक, देवादिदेवा दयामया, देवादिदेवा दयामया, श्री साई देवा कृपामया, श्री साई देवा कृपामया, पतितो धारा पाप विदूरा, पतितो धारा पाप विदूरा, पृथ्वीहारा परमेश्वरा, पृथ्वीहारा परमेश्वरा, भस्मोद्भव कर भव भयनाशक, भस्मोद्भव कर भव भयनाशक, श्री साई देवा कृपामया, श्री साई देवा कृपामया, देवदेवोत्तम दीन संरक्षक, देवादिदेवा दयामया, श्री साई देवा कृपामया, पतितो धारा पाप विदूरा, पृथ्वीहारा परमेश्वरा, भस्मोद्भव कर भव भयनाशक, श्री साई देवा कृपामया, श्री साई देवा कृपामया, देवदेवोत्तम दीन संरक्षक,
अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम राम रामा। अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम राम रामा। अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम राम रामा। कृष्ण 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 द्वारका विहारी श्री कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण। सप्तगिरि विहारी गोविंद गोविंद। सप्तगिरि विहारी गोविंद गोविंद। सप्तगिरि विहारी गोविंद गोविंद। साईनाथ देवा निज भक्त हृदय विहारी श्री साईनाथ देवा। अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम राम रामा। द्वारका विहारी श्री कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण। सप्तगिरि विहारी गोविंद गोविंद। सप्तगिरि विहारी गोविंद गोविंद। निज भक्त हृदय विहारी श्री साईनाथ देवा। हृदय विहारी श्री साईनाथ देवा। अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम राम रामा।
नमामि साई पद पंकजं। नमामि साई पद पंकजं। नमामि साई पद पंकजं। नमामि साई पद पंकजं। स्मरामि साई नामामृतं। स्मरामि साई नामामृतं। स्मरामि साई नामामृतं। स्मरामि साई नामामृतं। भजामि पदपङ्कजम्
वनमालि वासुदेवा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा वनमालि वासुदेवा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा शशिवदना सरसिजनयना जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा शशिवदना सरसिजनयना जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा शशिवदना सरसिजनयना जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा वनमालि वासुदेवा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा शशिवदना सरसिजनयना जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा शशिवदना सरसिजनयना जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा शशिवदना सरसिजनयना जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा 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 हरि 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 राधा रमणा राधा रमणा वनमालि वासुदेवा जगन्मोहन राधा रमणा
विठ्ठला नारायणा विठ्ठला नारायणा नारायण हरे नारायण नारायण हरे नारायण विठ्ठला नारायण मधुसूदना नारायण मधुसूदना नारायण हे शेष शयना नारायण हे शेष शयना नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण रंग विठ्ठल 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 वरती रंग विठ्ठल 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 साई रंग विठ्ठल 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 साई रंग विठ्ठल विठ्ठला नारायण
We must keep on striving, even though success doesn't seem on the horizon. We are preparing our foundation. One man was trying his best in life, but encountering failure again and again. And one day he complained to God and said, "Oh God, success is not in my destiny. I am just destined to fail. I may as well accept it." And God said, there's a difference between perfection and excellence. Perfection means I need to be at that state where I don't make any mistakes. Desire for perfection makes a person neurotic, because then the moment they see defects in themselves or in others, then they become so dejected, they even go into depression. But instead of that, when we pursue excellence, we know that perfection will always be a journey. Nobody will ever be perfect. All we can do is the best that is in our ability. And the best that we can do may still contain so many mistakes in them. But that is, we could not have done better than our best. So the attitude or mindset of excellence is, I am running my own race. And I am putting everything into the opportunity I have got. As Thomas Watson, the legendary CEO of IBM, used to tell his employees, as of this moment, quit doing less than excellent work. And this is the mindset. There was one famous architect, Frank Lloyd Wright. So when he would be asked, because he had designed many of the landmark monuments around the world, and he would be asked, amongst these, which is your best one? He would say, the next one. This was his mindset. I must keep growing. I must keep improving. I also like the statement of Pablo Casals, who was the best cellist in the last 150 years. And at the age of 96, he was still practicing. And somebody asked him, "Mr. Casals, why do you still practice?" He said, "Because I think I am getting better." So those who have the mindset of excellence, they don't make excuses. Excuses is so easy. To develop the victim mentality, to point fingers, to blame others for our negativity. If we get into this rut, then even God cannot save us. No guru can save us. For us to move ahead, we need to take responsibility for ourselves. Where I am today, I alone am responsible. And if this has to change, the onus is upon me. So, there is a saying in English. People say, there must be a pony somewhere. There's a background behind this story. There must be a pony somewhere. It is said that two brothers had contrasting attitudes. One was a compulsive negative thinker, and in any situation he would find reasons to blame others, to find faults with others, to blame situations, to blame lack of support. And the other was a solution-oriented person. No matter what the situation, let me focus on the solution. So they were both taken to a doctor. The doctor, as an experiment, took the first brother in a stable full of ponies. He knew that these brothers loved ponies. And seeing all those ponies there, this first brother became dejected. The doctor said, "What's the matter? Are you not excited? Don't you want to ride on any of them?" He said, "I do, but in case they don't ride properly, then I will be disappointed and they will be irritated. And I'm just so dejected, worrying about what the future holds." The doctor then took the second son to a room full of horse excreta. So that poop was filling the floor for many feet. And this boy, when he reached, with his two bare hands, he started digging. And the doctor said, "What are you doing?" He said, "With so much of horse poop around, I am sure there must be a pony somewhere. I'm trying to find the pony." Now look, one boy in a positive situation found reasons for negativity. One boy in a negative situation found reasons for positivity. The pursuit of excellence does not require anything from the outside. It does not require preconditions. It's an inner mindset that we cultivate. And it must also be accompanied by the understanding of the law of incremental growth. What does that mean? It means that success is never a lottery that is suddenly thrown into our lap. The Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu, he put it so well when he said that even the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. If you need to undertake a long journey, you can only do it one step at a time. And even the biggest of temples only begins with the laying of single brick, and one brick at a time the walls come up. Likewise, if we are here today and we decide that I have infinite potential as a little child of God and this is where I wish to be, then we must be prepared to be patient. Because success will not be a unit step function. Yesterday I was a sinner, today I become a saint. It will require constant, repeated steps. So we people overestimate how much we can change in a day. But we underestimate how little changes over an extended period of time add up to change us so dramatically. Like you have probably heard from me that if you can change 1% every day, in a year you will have changed over 350%. And when that is compounded year after year after year, it will mean that this life you have made a tremendous success. So let's again take inspiration from the bamboo. One man was trying his best in life, but encountering failure again and again. And one day he complained to God and said, "Oh God, success is not in my destiny. I am just destined to fail. I may as well accept it." And God said, "Don't give up." "But God, tell me, why should I not give up?" God said, "I have faith in you." He said, "God, but just look at my track record. I have failed 100 times in the last 5 years. Each time I think I will not harbor negative thoughts, but I fail. Each time I think I will not become angry on my relatives, but I do. Each time I think I will grow stronger in willpower and not succumb to temptation, but I do. So you tell me, why should I not give up?" God gave him the example of the fern. He said, "You know what? One gardener planted fern, and he also planted bamboo seeds. The fern, like wild grass, it pops out in a few days, and in a couple of weeks it had reached full growth, and it had started multiplying, and there was soon a fern garden. But the bamboo seeds that had been planted, nothing came out of them. So the gardener looked, a year had gone by, still nothing. A second year went by, still nothing. A third, fourth. After 4 years, the gardener was about to give up, but then he said, "Let's wait a little." And the 5th year, all of a sudden, the bamboo sprout was visible. But the beauty was it started growing so rapidly that in the space of 6 months, it had shot up 80 feet. That was when the gardener realized that for something that is 80 feet high, imagine the strength of its roots that are required, because it becomes a huge cantilever and it needs to be countered with extremely deep and strong roots. So he now understood that the bamboo plant for 4.5 years had been creating a foundation which would enable this spurt of growth. So likewise, we must keep on striving. Even though success doesn't seem on the horizon, we are preparing our foundation. That is why hope is very important in bhakti. Nirutsahasya dinasya shoka paryakulatmanah. Those people who lose hope, who become dejected, "I will not do it. My guru will not grace me. God will not accept me." Then they start going in the reverse direction. They become worse than animals, this Sanskrit verse says. That is why nirutsahasya dinasya shoka paryakulatmanah. Take a look at the grain that the farmer plants. It takes time to sprout. So let me end today's message with the story of the dog and the elephant. The female dog and the female elephant both got pregnant at the same time. And in just 3 months, the dog had delivered. And then 6 months later, it got pregnant again and it had delivered. And then again it got pregnant and again it delivered. And this elephant was not having any baby. 2.5 years went by. So this mother dog asked the elephant, "Are you sure you're carrying a baby?" The elephant said, "Yes, I am. But there's a difference. Your baby roams around the streets. Nobody values it. The baby I'm going to be delivering will be such that when it walks the earth, people will stop, turn, and gaze in wonder. It will have such weight that when it presses its feet, the earth will tremble. It will have such majesty that it will be the major role player in Shobha Yatras. So, creation of such a thing does require time. Likewise, our goal should always be the highest. Remember the law of infinite potential. We all are not children of chicken that are destined to do cluck cluck here and there. We are like the king of the birds, the eagle, destined to fly high at altitudes of 20,000 feet. So as the children of God, we have got infinite potential.
Om Jai Jagadisha Hare, Swami Satya Sai Hare, Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka, Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka, Bhakti Maheshwara. Om Jai Jagadisha Hare, Shashi Bhagana Shri Kara, Sarva Pranapati, Swami Sarva Pranapati, Ashrita Kalpaladika, Ashrita Kalpaladika, Apadvandava. Om Jai Jagadisha Hare, Mata Pita Guru Devam Mariyantayu Nive, Swami Mariyantayu Nive, Nana Brahma Jagannatha, Nana Brahma Jagannatha, Nagendra Shayana. Om Jai Jagadisha Hare. जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा